right, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in. I really do appreciate it, always. I've got a new watch that we're going to check out, a new pilot's watch by Seiko. We're going to get into it, okay? Get your drinks, pull up a chair, get your popcorn, relax. We're going to check this thing out. I actually think it looks really cool. Comes with a calfskin leather strap that actually feels nice for Seiko. I feel like Seiko straps are usually an afterthought. But before we get into that, hit that subscribe button if you're new around here, if you're new to the channel, if you're just joining the Unbox and Chill family. Stick around, hit that subscribe button. We do giveaways here. We just mailed somebody an automatic watch and an automatic watch winder. That was our 500 subscriber giveaway. We're on our way to 1,000. We're not far. And I want to mail something out to the next person at 1,000. So it'll be a bigger, nicer giveaway. Like I said, be the cool guy, hit that subscribe button, and then also hit the notification bell, just so that they notify you when we upload, okay? You can stay abreast of what's happening around here. So, okay. We got a new watch, and actually, as I record this, I actually have the watch out for delivery with UPS, so I'm listening for the door. Let me get my desk ready, and let me lay some ground here. So this is a Seiko pilot's watch that I honestly have never seen before, never heard of. Apparently, Seiko put it out at Baselworld in 2017. So I guess it's a couple years old here, but found it on Amazon, picked it up, and I just want to share with you guys what it is here as I make my decision in terms of whether I'm going to hold on to it or not. So far, I do like it, but we'll take a look, okay? This is the Seiko. Let me grab the official name here, and we'll bring it in. This is the Seiko Prospex Sky Navitimer. So let's bring this in here. Now, this did come in a larger box, guys, just so that you know. I actually tore that box open. So it was this smaller box, and these books were inside of a larger box. I don't have that box anymore. So the books are unfortunately just here. You've got the manuals here, instruction manual about the movement, that sort of thing. You've got the, let's see here, rotary side rule manual. Oh, rotary slide rule. Yes, of course, on the watch there's a slide rule. I have no clue how to use that or how to do the calculations on that, but I'll show you what it looks like. But that's how thick the manual is in terms of using that. So I think Mark at Long Island Watch actually has a video showing you how to use that. At least I saw someone else post that somewhere. Like I said, definitely check that out with him if you want to learn how to use it. But let's get into it. So typical Seiko, we've got the paper box, okay? They usually, Seiko makes great watches, but man, the boxes and the straps, if we could just get the boxes and the straps up to snuff, that would be great. But for what this is, it's not terrible. We'll move this out of the way, out of the sheath, and what you've got here, which I actually do like this, it's textured here. This is a cloth material. This is also a cloth material here. And then also in here, this is padded like a pillow, and it has a cloth material in there. So, I mean, it's a paper box, but it looks like they did kind of do some, a little bit of extra to it. But here is the watch here. So we've got the Seiko Prospex tag, and here is the model number. For all you model number, I think that's upside down. For all you people who want to peep the reference number, there's the reference number there. And this is the, as they have it titled here, Seiko Prospex Sky Navitimer Automatic Pilot's Watch. Okay, so the name is a mouthful, but this is it here. You've got that beautiful cream dial. As you can see, you've got the numbers here are nice. I guess it's like an off-white in terms of the numbers. Of course, oversized like a pilot's watch normally is. Now you do have this, what they say that, the slide rule, I guess you can use that to do different calculations and things. I'm going to be completely honest with you, and I think most people will tell you, I have no clue how that works. Okay, it looks very cool, but I have no clue how that works. But as you can see here, the bezel, so it has all that information around the bezel, and as you turn it here, you notice that there's no clicks. Okay, normally there's a click on the bezel, so it's similar to my actually I'll jump into a quick wrist check real quick. I'm wearing the Brian Van Way customized Vostok Amphibia, and the reason I'm bringing it up now is because it actually is the same way. As you turn it, there's no clicks to the bezel here. So you can, you can move it, but there are no, of course, there's no clicks. Same thing with this here. There are no clicks to this. And actually, Brian Van Way, he does have a YouTube channel, guys, that he customizes watches. Maybe you want to see some more customizations. Maybe you want to reach out to him and get yourself a customizable stock amphibia like this one. I will link his YouTube channel in the comment section below. You can check out some of his other builds, and then if you if you happen to maybe see something you like, or maybe you want him to make you something, you can reach out to him. He's a really nice guy. He'll set you up with something real cool here. But back to the Seiko Prospex Sky Navitimer. Really nice piece. It does come on this calfskin leather strap, which is not like insane, but I will say that it is pretty soft here, and it is nicer, I would say, than a lot of the straps I've gotten on Seiko watches, which are usually not very nice. But again, overall, not a bad piece. Like I said, automatic movement. You've got the, we'll run down the specs here. You've got the typical Seiko movements and everything in this. This is I'll get you the exact one. This is a Seiko Caliber 4R35 movement. So it's an automatic watch. And in terms of the looks, like I said, I do like the bezel. You have that red as we turn it here. And we bring it up here to the, oh, there we go. As we kind of line it up here, you do see you have that red up there. You have the red here, and then you have the red. Actually, let's give it some juice here. You have a red on the seconds hand here. So as you see that, which reminds me of a Hamilton. I have a Hamilton khaki navy sub, and it has that little dot of red at the end there. But I think that's a nice contrast. So the nice cream dial. You do have these nice kind of off-white, or maybe a bit of a silver in terms of the letters. But overall, a very nice piece. You've got the kind of oversized crown here, which is nice. Like I said, you do get the Seiko Caliber 4R35 movement. The hands on the website here, it says they are a gray, actually. So it said they were like an off-white, but they are gray. You do get gray hands. It does say that it's, let's see, made in Japan. Let's see here, 41-hour power reserve. Let's see, cream dial. You do have a screw-down crown, okay? It does have, or it doesn't have, a sapphire crystal. It is a mineral crystal, so that's a bit of a knock on this piece. Keep that in mind as I'm about to tell you the price here in a second here, because at certain prices you do want a sapphire crystal, but keep in mind this one does just have it is just a mineral crystal. So and it doesn't say sapphire coated, it just says, well, it just says scratch resistant mineral crystal. So now in terms of the size, we're going to wait till I try that on. I want you to see it on my huge wrists, and then I want you to guess the size and let me know what you think here. You do have this, this is an unsigned crown here, so there's nothing on the crown. It's unsigned. I don't know if that's a cost-cutting measure or something like that. The band is 22 millimeters in terms of the band, so wide range of bands will probably look nice on this. When I originally bought this, guys, I had the idea of removing this calfskin leather strap and putting like an army, similar to this, kind of but darker. But this is kind of an olive green. But I had an idea of putting like a kind of a darker army green, either a NATO or something like that on this, and I thought it would look really cool actually. I just haven't gotten around to doing that. Let's see here. So let's go in and try it on the wrist here. I think I've gone over the specs in terms of the thickness, you're looking at 12 millimeters thick. So it's not crazy thick. I would say, it's kind of standard thick, or standard in terms of thickness. But let me pop this on the wrist here, and then I want you guys to guess the case diameter here of this particular piece. So give me one quick second. I just went off camera just so that I can try to put this on real quick here. No, not a bad piece at all, guys. I don't think it's one of those Seikos that you don't see a lot. I didn't even know this watch existed. Everyone has an SKX. Everyone has a turtle. But this is one of those pieces that I feel like you're not going to see a whole lot of them out in the wild. People might actually stop and go, hey, which Seiko is that? And as I said, I think a nice canvas strap that is army green would look nice. But all right, let's jump on into it. Let's take a look here. So on the buckle there, as I said, the crown is blank, but on the buckle there, you do have, it is signed, it does say Seiko. And I will say that I'm literally on the last hole, guys. So keep in mind, I have roughly 8¼ inch wrists, pretty big wrists. And as we flip it around, you can see it on the wrist there. It's a pretty good size on my 8¼ inch wrist. What size did you believe the case to be? Drop that in the comment section below. Take a guess. What it actually is 44.7 millimeters. So, listen, it's a good solid size. A little bit bigger than I think some people like, but again, it's a pilot's watch. Pilot's watches, I feel like, are they're usually a little bit oversized. So. But definitely a nice piece here. So, but let me know what you guys think. I want to know in the comment section below. Is this a piece that you would wear? Have you seen this one before? Let me know in the comment section below. I hadn't seen it. I had to pick it up. Let's pay off the price real quick before we get out of here. This particular watch you can find out in the wild right now. It's roughly $220. You can find it for $220. So keep in mind, you are getting that great Seiko 4R movement. You're getting the nice Seiko quality here. Because they make they make a very good timepiece. Nice leather strap. It's decent leather. It's not cheap. Like I said, build quality, everything fit and finish, everything's pretty good. Also, I will say that because there are no clicks to this, you don't have to worry about some of the alignment issues that you sometimes see with Seikos. But overall, a very nice piece, a very impressive package for just over $200. So, great alternative to some other things. So, again, guys, Seiko Prospex Sky Navitimer. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll hang out. I'll answer some of your questions. Thank you so much for tuning in. This has been Unbox and Chill. Goodbye.